Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I would like to thank Miss Ridiana as my first supervisor and Miss Flaviana Yohanala as my second supervisor. My name is Nur Azmi with student ID number 23 TKM 028. Here, I will present my research plan titled Magnesium Extraction from veronical slag using variation in temperature and time with sulfuric acid selection. The background of my research is the nickel laterite comes from laterite ore that is processed using pyrometallurgical methods. This processing produces a byproduct in the form of veronical slag, which can cause various environmental problems such as water pollution and disturbance to communities around industrial area. This pollution can be reduced by utilizing the water because the slag contains valuable metals, one of which is magnesium. Generally, the magnesium content in veronical slag is 29.58%. To utilize this slag, we will extract magnesium using the leaching method with sulfuric acid. Furthermore, the research question of my study is, how do temperature and solar time affect the percentage of magnesium recovery in the magnesium extraction process from veronical slag? The objective of my study is to analyze the effect of the temperature and solar time on the percentage of magnesium recovery in the magnesium extraction process from veronical slag. Furthermore, the first purpose study that I used as a reference was a titled Study of Magnesium and Iron Extraction from Nickel matte slag using sulfuric acid solvent, which used the leaching method. The result obtained were a maximum magnesium extraction rate of 47.37%, which was higher than iron at 9.33%, achieved at a leaching temperature of 90 degrees Celsius and a leaching time of 120 minutes. The second study involved to a recovery of magnesium from veronical slag to prepare magnesium oxide using sulfuric acid leaching. The result showed that the analysis indicated the magnesium carbonate obtained had a high fortite of 42.3% at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes. The first research method was conduction in the material and extractive metallurgy laboratory. The time frame was from March 19 to May 19, 2025. The type of research was laboratory experiments. Next, the data collection technique used was free sample preparation, which was carried out by crushing veronical slag using pulverized with a size of 280 mass. Next, the slag was extracted using the leaching method with sulfuric acid at a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius for 60, 90, and 120 minutes, respectively. Then, the leaching residue was washed using distilled water and often dried at 105 degrees Celsius until a constant, which was acid. Next is a data analysis, which uses that version recovery formula, where percentage recovery equal initial mass multiplied by initial concentration minus final mass multiplied by final concentration divided by initial mass multiplied by initial concentration multiplied by 100%. Okay, that's the presentation of my research plan. Please forgive me any shortcoming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.